Hey food lovers! Today, we're diving into the mouthwatering world of taco al vordos. I'm going to show you exactly how to order like a pro and give you an insider's review of their most delicious offerings. First things first, how to order one, don't get overwhelmed. Each line is for a specific item. Look up at the menu and choose your favorite 3, hop into the right line. It's that simple. Now let's talk tacos. Pastor tacos. These are tender, well-marinated, and packed with juicy, savory flavor that melts in your mouth. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. Lengua tacos. Al Vordos makes the best lengua taco I've ever had. The texture is incredible. You've got to try it to believe it, mula. This is a must-try. It's a beef shoulder mula with 2 tortillas filled with melted cheese and your choice of meat. It's tender and flavorful, though I'll warn you, it might be a bit too meaty for some folks. Pro tip. Many of you, like me, love cilantro sauce on your tacos. Don't forget to ask for it. My personal favorite, the creamy, citrusy, refreshing orange band sauce, is my all-time favorite. It adds the perfect zing to any taco. So there you have it, folks. Your guide to navigating Taco El Vordos like a true taco connoisseur. Whether you're a first-timer or a regular, these tips will help you make the most of your visit. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more foodie adventures. Drop a comment below with your favorite taco.